Now, let's keep going. We will learn some common words that are often used when talking about natural disaster. Earthquake. Earthquake. A sudden, violent shaking of the Earth's surface. For example, damage caused by a powerful earthquake. Tornado. Tornado. A violent storm with very strong winds which move in a circle. There is often also a long cloud which is narrower at the bottom than the top. For example, tornadoes violently went into the southern United States yesterday. Tsunami. Tsunami. An extremely large wave in the sea caused, for example, by an earthquake. For example, a tsunami early warning system was set up in Hawaii. Flood. Flood. A large amount of water covering an area that is usually dry. For example, the heavy rain has caused floods in many parts of the country. Drought. Drought. A long period of time when there is little or no rain. For example, it is one of the worst droughts on record. Experience. Experience. To have a particular situation affect you or happen to you. For example, everyone experiences these problems at some time in their lives. Consequence. Consequence. A result of something that has happened. For example, this decision could have serious consequences for the industry. Okay, in this part we will learn some common sentences that are often used when talking about natural disaster. Have you ever experienced a natural disaster? Have you ever experienced a natural disaster? What do you think people should do to prevent natural disasters? What do you think people should do to prevent natural disasters? There are so many different types of natural disasters. There are so many different types of natural disasters. They are getting more and more serious due to climate change. They are getting more and more serious due to climate change. I have experienced a terrible flood before. The consequences were awful. I have experienced a terrible flood before. The consequences were awful.